Hi, it's Fies Taro. Hello, Gemini placements. This is your general and love reading the rest of February. So, let's see. Okay, so again, kung may mga tanong po, mag-message na lang po no, sa atin pong legit FB page, yung meron pong blue check, blue mark, o dun sa tabi po ng ating pangalan. Kung walang ganon, yun po ay hindi kami. Okay? So, again, kung may mga tanong, message, and yeah, pagdating din sa ating mga charms and sa ating private reading, okay? So, yeah, cord cutting, oh, yan po yung cord cut, ito yung 2-in-1 love and money bracelet, so ito siya. Okay, next is yung ating granter, yung pong taga-grant ng inyong mga wishes, and itong ating mga evil eye protection. So, yan po. Ito yung ating necklace. Okay, ito yung ring. Ring natin is adjustable. Meron din tayong cleansing kit. Okay, and yung ating healing oil. Yeah, healing oil. Okay, and yung ating charm spray. Good for love and money. So, Gemini, let's see. What's for you? What is for you? Oracle lang tayo dito sa general. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aqua. Pwedeng, yeah, meron kayong mga partners or there's something significant pagdating po sa isang air sign. Moving, this is change of residence, moving in with your partner, yan, mga ganyang bagay. What else? Yes. So, luck is on your side. This is nice. What else? Merong no. Okay. So, it's not the right time. Something specific po yun, ha? Okay. Spy. Someone's got their eye on you. You are doing your research. Okay. What else? Intimacy. Sexual chemistry, reminiscing. So, bago mag-end ang Feb, ito yung mga energies na meron. So, basahin natin kung ano bang meron dito. Okay. Some of you, yeah, may chances po na pwedeng yun nga, mag-move, no? Mag-move sa isang or ibang location, no? Pwedeng sa bahay, pwedeng address, pwedeng trabaho, kung sakali man. Okay? So, I think yung energy na pupuntahan mo or lilipatan mo is maganda. Claim mo na yon. Okay? Claim mo na. So, okay. Meron din ditong some of you, you're in doubt pagdating sa isang tao. Try to stalk. Okay? Try to search or research something para na rin sa proof. Okay? I don't know if that's talking about someone's loyalty. Okay? Okay. So, meron din dito na pwedeng binlock ka and nag-i-stalk pa rin sila sa'yo. Yeah. Tinitingnan kung anong meron sa'yo. In general. Okay. May mga taong gustong malaman kung ano mga ginagawa mo or gagawin mo pa. Yeah. Pero ang sinasabi rito is wag mong magawin, wag mong isabihin, wag mong ipaalam. Okay? Yung iba dito, I'm hearing tagong connection. Tagong connection. I don't know kung anong meron sa tagong connection na yon. May chance po na iba dito pwedeng makita kayo. Yeah, pwedeng makita kayo or malaman. Meron kasing mga tao sa paligid din na parang nagiging curious. Yeah. I'm hearing pregnancy for some of you by the end of Feb. Okay? So, an addition to the family. Yun ang nakuha ko. Again, hindi mo kailangan ipaalam sa iba lahat kung anong meron din pagdating po sa iyong partnership. Sa inyong partner. Hindi kailangan ipakita sa iba or ipaalam if ever. Kung meron kayong arguments, meron kayong issues, whatsoever. Okay? So, there. So, let's see the person on your mind. Tingnan natin. Kuha tayo ng isang tarot here. And then, yeah. Who is this? Who is this, Gemini? The person on your mind. The rest of February. Who is this? Six of Pentacles in reverse. So, hindi siya naging fair sa'yo. You're not equal. Five. Okay. The Four of Cups in reverse. May pagkamadamot yung tao, sa totoo lang. Pwede kayo ay hiwalay ngayon. Or magkahiwalay nga. May pangungulila ngayon sa'yo, tong taong to, or pangangailangan. Yeah. Regrets. Let's see. Anong meron naman? Pagdating sa kanya ngayon. The King of Cups. What's with that? Four of Wands. Three of Cups. Oh. Queen of Swords. I think itong taong to sa ngayon, no, pwedeng alam niya how to manage somebody's emotion. Parang meron siyang mga ginagamit-gamit na tao pagdating sa situation niya. I don't know kung ano. Yeah. Ano bang emosyon nito ngayon sa'yo? Ace of Cups in reverse. Ace of Pentacles. Panghihinayang talaga. Iba sa kanila ha. Pwedeng meron silang karelasyon ngayon, pero hindi sila, sabihin nating, tinatrato ng patas ngayon. They're like, yeah, tasting their own medicine. Okay. So, emotion, they want another chance. Pero paano? Ayun ang nakukuha ko. Anong meron pagdating naman sa next action pagdating sa'yo? Judgment. Three of Swords. So, maliwanag na maliwanag na gusto niyang bumalik. Babalik ng taong to. Nakikipag-ayos. Yeah, the Six of Cups. Pwedeng pupuntahan ka niya kung kaya ka niyang puntahan. Mga ganyang bagay. Okay. Advice for Gemini. Justice in reversed. Seven of Swords. Kung kailangan mo parang ipagdamot, no, yung hustisya, you deserve something kasi Okay, hindi mo kailangan ng parang yung ganito. Okay, hindi mo kailangan na ipakita sa kanya, ibigay sa kanya everything. Kung ano yung kailangan niyang i-fix, ayusin, whatsoever. Let them be the emperor, the empress. Okay? Hindi yung i-feed mo na naman siya na kung anong kailangan niya. Hindi pwedeng spoon-fed itong taong to. Yeah. Alam niya na siya ay may what? Kakulangan pagdating sa'yo. Yeah, ayan o. 6 of Pentacles Universe, 4 of Cups Universe. Alam niya yun. So, let them know kung anong mga issue meron. Kung anong mga problem. Okay, hindi mo kailangang sabihin. Pero yeah, some of us, pwedeng may mga taong hindi nila alam na may nagagawa na pala silang mali, pero hindi sila aware. So, yun nga, ang mga kailangan i-address. Pero kung na-i-address mo na and wala pa rin silang ginagawa, then, di ba? Ano pa? Ang mangyari lang dyan kung magbabalikan kayo is a repeat. Yeah. Let's see. Anong meron pagdating sa all signs? All signs for Gemini. Naantok ako. Sa totoo lang. I'm sorry. Okay. Aries. The one that got away. Taurus. You're open. Gemini. You're guarded. Yeah. Cancer. Cold. Detached. Leo. You're going back. They're going back. Virgo. Open sila sa new beginning. Libra. They're confused. They're confused. Scorpio. May galit si Scorpio. Okay, so Sagittarius. Meron silang motivation, I think. Parang i-grow yung sarili nila. Capricorn, hard-headed. Aquarius, so there's something hidden. There's secrets. Pisces, they need you. Yeah, they need you. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Gemini placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and sa nating YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Again, thank you. Goodbye.